I will show how to buy shares of Servcorp Ltd, a global provider of serviced offices, virtual office addresses, and flexible workspace solutions. Servcorp is listed on CBOE Australia under the ticker SRV.ASX. This is an educational walkthrough and not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SRV.ASX to locate the company listing. Make sure you select the matching Servcorp Ltd result on CBOE AUS before proceeding. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view a price chart. Confirm the company name, the SRV.ASX ticker, and the CBOE AUS listing to ensure it is the correct share. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will be processed when trading resumes, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your Servcorp position will appear in your portfolio overview. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the description for reference.